While massagers of old would vibrate in a general area, these newer, more powerful handheld machines, also called percussion massagers, deliver pulsing, rapid bursts of pressure deep into the muscle fibers. Many also have adjustable attachments that can be applied to different size muscle groups. But can a handheld tool replace the know-how of a trained practitioner? It's a good idea to speak to your doctor before incorporating a personal massage device into your regular recovery routine, particularly if you have any pre-existing conditions like osteoporosis or diabetes, or are on any medication. How they work. Massage guns work in several ways. They can release tight and tense myofascia, the connective tissue that surrounds muscles and bones. By stimulating sensory cells on the skin, the device interrupts the contraction of nearby muscles and thus relaxes them. Stimulating the cells can also override the sensation of pain, sort of like when you rub your toe after smacking it into a table leg. It can help lessen the pain signal going to the area. Finally, when a muscle becomes tight and sore, blood flow to the area slows. A massage device can help increase that oxygen-rich blood flow, helping the muscle to heal. When to use? They're beneficial for some purposes. If you're feeling tight from sitting too much, or if you're stressed and achy and just need a little loosening up, a handheld device can help to relax and soothe your muscles. Start with, say, your calf, and give it a light 10 to 15 second pass with the device. Be careful about how long you keep it on the area. Too long and you could overwork the muscle, irritate it, and possibly cause bruising. Do 3 to 5 sweeps in that one area, then look for another area of tightness. The device acts as a cool down after a hard workout. If you've just done a heart strengthening or a plyometric session, for example, where you've intensely used your whole body, the massage device is a nice way to assist in recovery and not allow the muscles to tighten up. A massage gun can also help to work out knots in one particular area pre-workout. After an active warm-up on the bike, for instance, you can run the device over any area that still feels tight for 10 seconds or so, 2 to 3 times, to give it a little extra attention. When not to use. Other purposes, not so much. You have to tread carefully when it comes to strains and sprains. If you've just hurt yourself and have a significant amount of pain or swelling, you should not be using a massage gun. If your skin gets red or irritated while massaging, stop. Let pain be your guide and back off if it hurts or is uncomfortable in any way. You may be pressing too hard or for too long. Also, be careful never to use the device directly on bones, nerves, or joints, as these devices are meant only for the muscles. Features. There are dozens of options, from the most basic to the Rolls-Royce of massagers. Look for an option that best suits you. You don't necessarily need the top-of-the-line fanciest model, and you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars if you don't have it. Prices start at about $100 and go up from there. Some things to look at. Portability. If you plan to take it to the gym or the park, you'll want it compact and light enough to fit comfortably in your bag. Note, if you'll use it in public, get one that works quietly. At least 2 speeds is helpful. As your muscles become more flexible and pliable, you may want to be a bit more aggressive with the speed to give it an even deeper massage, says Felix. Remember, a massage gun is only one tool in your arsenal. The best way to tackle myofascial tightness is through the full spectrum. That includes stretching, massage therapy, foam rolling, and, if you want, a massage gun. It's not one in lieu of the other. There's no real comparison between a licensed professional massage therapist with years of specialized training and a machine. A massage therapist will be able to go to a much deeper level more safely than any device. Have you ever tried a massage gun before? Let us know in the comments below, and like and share this video with a friend who needs it.